Kanji, is it tough to memorize? Trust me, today I'll introduce a tool that makes it easier. So watch till the end. Welcome to Yuki Blooming. Let's dive in Kanji series N5 Day 2. Ikiru, to live. Umariru, to be born. Gakusei, student. Sensei, teacher. Namamizu, unboiled water. Hon, book. Nihon, Japan. Honya, bookstore. Honto? Really? Ippon, counter word. Naka, inside or middle. Chugoku, China. Chugaku, junior high school. Nenju, all year round. Chushin, center. Ima, now. Kyo, today. Kongetsu this month. Konshu this week. Konban tonight. Aida between. Jikan time. Ningen human. Kono Aida recently. Maniawu to be on time. By the way, if you are wondering how to remember these kanji consistently without forgetting them after a few days, let me share something that has really helped me. MochiKanji learn Japanese. When learning kanji, one of the biggest challenges is not just understanding them, but remembering them long term. This is where spaced repetition becomes very powerful. Instead of trying to memorize everything at once, spaced repetition helps you review kanji at the right time, just before you forget them. In traditional learning, we often write kanji many times in one day but then forget it after a week. But with spaced repetition, you review kanji gradually over a time. This makes your memory stronger and learning more efficient. To make this process easier, I have been exploring the MochiKanji Learn Japanese app. It uses spaced repetition to help you practice kanji and vocabulary in a structured and interactive way.
風呂敷
For example, when you start learning lesson, the app schedules review sessions automatically and sends you a notification at the golden time, the best time for memorization. If a word is difficult and you still don't remember, it appears more often. If it becomes easy, the app shows it less frequently. This helps you focus on what you actually need to improve. For easier tracking, earlier learned words are classified into 5 levels of memorization, from level 1 to level 5. You can check the level of each word in the digital notebook. Whether you are a beginner or already advanced in learning Japanese, MochiKanji is suitable for you. It offers various courses such as JLPT N5 N2 Minano Nihongo, Genki and more. All divided into small manageable lessons You can easily study anytime, anywhere. Each word comes with flashcards,
私
audio, meanings, images, and sample sentences. Interactive quizzes are fun and useful.
私
If you want to focus only on kanji, just head to the kanji tab. There you can learn each character through easy to remember mnemonics, practice both onyomi and kunyomi readings, explore related vocabulary, and follow step-by-step stroke order writing practice. With this structured method, memorizing kanji becomes more effective and far less stressful. The app also offers a variety of courses including Kanji N5 to N2 and Zoyo Kanji, so you can choose the level that fits your learning goals. So, if you want a smarter way to remember kanji instead of cramming them all at once, MochiKanji makes it really simple and fun to practice every day. Download it on App Store, Google Play, or its website. You can also check the link in the description. Let's learn next kanji. Toshi, ear. Rainen, next year. Kyonen, last year. Mainen, every year. Kotoshi, this year. Ko, child. Kodomo, child, children. Onnanoko, girl. Otokonoko, boy. Isu, chair. Nagai, long. Kocho, principal. Shacho, company president. Seicho, growth. Kaicho, chairman. Uye, above. Jozu, skillful. Uwagi, jacket. Noboru, to climb. Agaru, to rise. Hairu, to enter. Ireru, to put in. Iriguchi, entrance. Nyugaku, school admission. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Let's meet in next video. Matane.